Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video I received some Happy Mail from the Butterfly Crafter, Dana, and I can't wait to dig in. So let's go ahead and dig in, you guys. I opened it already, and oh my goodness, look at this. She decorated the box for me. This is so amazing. Thank you, Dana. I love this. Look how beautiful this is. So it looks like it's Valentine mail. So let's go ahead and dig in. Oh my goodness. Okay, here's the card. Let's go ahead and read that. Oh my goodness. Dana, you did not have to do this. So this is thank you mail as well as a Valentine's mail. I sent her a mask a while ago, and she's just thanking me.
Who would you like to FaceTime with?
Have to do that. So Siri came on. I don't know if you heard that, but yeah, she interrupted me, and so yeah, Dana, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Again, you didn't have to do this. I made that mask for you, or masks. I can't remember. It was so long ago. But let's dig in, you guys. So there is the card. And I'm just going to go fast and put everything out. Okay, let's dig in. Thank you so much, Dana. So she had all of these heart pieces just floating in the box, and I appreciate these so much. These are definitely going to come in handy. And a hand sanitizer. This thing is my favorite thing, even before COVID, to get. Before COVID, because I have a husband and he is a germaphobe, and he has we've always had hand sanitizer everywhere, in the car, in the house, everywhere. So hand sanitizer goes everywhere. My purse, everywhere. So thank you for these hearts. These are all puffy hearts, and they're going to definitely be used. And then she sent me 2 chocolate little hearts. Thank you. And I love this right here. And she also sent me some lip balm, and it's a gumdrop. Oh, that's gonna be amazing, which I also need. And then she sent me this little heart memo pad, which is always neat to have, especially when you're in swamps. You can write down all your notes. And then this heart again. Thank you, Dana. And then this right here, again, it's a little notepad, which is very handy to have. You know, how we always have to write things down. I love that. Thank you, Dana. Here's this heart right here, and another puffy heart. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Okay, let's dig into this one. Okay, this seems heavy. Oh, look at this. She sent me a gumdrop bath bomb. This is definitely going to be used. Oh, I bet it smells good. So it looks like there is a theme going on here. So we'll put them all together. And then let's open this one. What is this? Yep, there is a theme going on. I see it. Gumdrop hand lotion. Okay, this one I can open and smell. It smells delicious, you guys. Very fresh. I love that smell. Okay, I'm gonna open this one last. So let's go ahead and open this one. Oh, look at this. It is a wallet. Dana, you did not have to do this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is exactly like my current one. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Dana. I appreciate this so much. And look at that pretty color. I love this. Thank you so much. definitely will be used. Okay, look at this. How neat does this look? And then she sent this cute mailbox that says love. I love it so much. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, more pieces right here. I love this. Okay, what is it? Any guesses, you guys? Comment your guess before I open this thing. Here we go. Oh my goodness, I hear something. No. Look at this. I bet you guys didn't guess this. Oh my goodness, this is a honey beehive. Oh my god, I can't wait to get into the rest. Oh my goodness, what the heck is... No way, no way. Look, you guys. It's a little honey jar. How beautiful is this? Where did you get this? This is so cute. I love it. You guys, look at this. Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dana. I love that. There's more, you guys. I'm just gonna pull this out because this thing is deep. I swear, these little containers hold a lot. Oh my goodness. No way. She sent me some socks. Thank you so much. I love me some socks. And look at that dog. How cute is he? Oh my goodness. Thank you, Dana. You really didn't have to do this, but I really appreciate it. And oh my goodness, I made some masks for a lot of people, and Dana was one of them. And oh, Dana, you did not have to do this. Oh my goodness, but I have one more, you guys, one more. I almost missed this. Oh, she sent a bracelet. Look at this, Dana. Dana, this is awesome. Thank you so much. Look at this. It's a little Valentine's bracelet. Look at all those hearts. I love this, Dana. I love it so much. Definitely will be wearing it. Thank you so much. I appreciate this. Well, you know, if I see any masks, I don't have any fabric, but if I see any out there, when I'm there, I'm gonna get you one. I know you said you lost one, the one that I made you. I sent you two, I think. I'm not sure, but yeah, if I see any, definitely will pick one up for you. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my goodness. Dana, thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. And I absolutely love this. This thing is the cutest thing ever. Thank you so much, Dana. You guys, go check her out. Her name is Dana, and she's the butterfly crafter here on YouTube. Yeah, this is amazing. Very thoughtful and nice that she did not have to do at all. She didn't have to do this. I appreciate it so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, Dana. Again, I will have her linked below and also at the icon above. I appreciate you, Dana. Big hugs and happy Valentine's Day. I hope you're having an amazing February. And you guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.